there is a bunch of little adhesive marks. And up here we got some as well. We're flipping cars, getting an M5. Today we're gonna find out if 2,000 Christmas lights ended up damaging my wrap. It is December 26th, Christmas is over, but I am sick of having these lights on here, man. The car is a mess, freaking dirty, and I just want to see this thing clean again. All the tape's coming off, everything is coming off. A lot of people say that the tape leaves residue on the wrap slash paint after taking it off. I'm gonna find that out today if that's actually true. Let's just go ahead here and take off one of these and see if it left. Oh, there is some adhesive in there. It's just gonna be a ton of spots of clean and then the rest dirty, which is gonna look weird. I don't know if the strat is to take off all of them one by one. That might take a long time. Now I guess we're just gonna do the strat where let's see how big of a tape ball we can get by the end of this. And here lies 1,000 LED Christmas lights on the ground. We still got to get all the tape off. I got some of it off, but we still got a lot left. And then we got the back end to do as well. Holy crap. This is low-key the strategy. You just kind of yank on them and then they come right off. After about 25 minutes, this isn't taking that long as I thought it would. We got all the lights off. Look at this, dude. We got 2,000 lights laying on the ground right here on my driveway. And now we have probably over 2,000 pieces of tape we have to take off as well. Then we got to clean the car. So we low-key got a bunch of stuff to do, but it's fun. Let's see how big we can get this ball of tape. Okay guys, now all the Christmas lights are off, all the tape is off. This is how big the ball is. Holy crap, dude. This is actually... Let's go see the damage now. Now on camera it doesn't look too bad, but when you get close, there is a bunch of little adhesive marks everywhere on this car. If you look very close, you can see. So we're gonna go take this to the wash right now, and hopefully we can get all those little adhesive marks right off. It's like a pattern of dirty, clean everywhere on this car. But let me tell y'all, it is nice to see the car back to normal, man. Like, the Christmas lights were sick, but it low-key just got annoying. Like, I hated seeing the car so dirty. I don't know, I got some OCD with that, seeing the car like super dirty all the time. It was starting to bug me. Let's go get this thing taken to the car wash for the first time in a while. We just made it to the car wash. Let's hope this takes all the little adhesive things off. We're gonna pressure wash it, and if not, I do have a little trick on my sleeve that'll get rid of it. But dude, even though this thing is super dirty, it still looks like clean and beautiful, man. But let's get it washed. See if there's any tape residue. We'll have to probably wait till it's dry, but as of right now, okay, there might still be some around. Oh yeah, it looks like we do got some there. Ooh, and up here we got some as well. Okay. All right guys, now it's the next day, and before we wash this car, we do have a little side quest. And you may be wondering, why do I have a screwdriver? Well, I'm actually taking off these plates. Unfortunately, they're no longer gonna be on here anymore. And this neighborhood cat keeps coming around. I don't know if it's homeless or what. What should we name this thing? Like, I don't know how it just, like, what is it doing? What should we name it? Comment below. We're taking off these plates. We got a Clue Cars plate that my mom got me for Christmas. We're getting rid of the old and on with the new. The old plate is off. No more DCVL. I got the Clue Cars plate on. Subscribe if you haven't. Boom. Oh my gosh, that's so sick. Oh, that is so cool. That is so fire. Literally says Clue Cars on the GT. Man, bro, this plate looks so sick, dude. It literally says Clue Cars, the YouTube channel name. That is so awesome. That was literally like my dream plate to go with this car, so it literally works amazing. So if you guys see me on the road, Clue Cars Red GTR, don't be afraid to honk and shit at me, you know? And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, that's everywhere on the hood. So we're gonna first hand wash it. If that doesn't take it off, then we're gonna get some Goo Gone, it's called. This will actually get rid of all that adhesive. So if you guys ever have adhesive stuck in your car, get something like this. It's a citrus type formula. You just spray it on there, grab a microfiber, and then this will get it off. We rinsed the car down, we got our soap water here, and it's time to get cracking. Oh my God. All right, well now we fully hand washed the car. Let's go check if there's any adhesive marks still. And yes, there is. There definitely is right in there. Yeah, right there. Okay, we're gonna have to pull out the goon gone. Yeah, there's definitely adhesive marks everywhere still. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be tedious. We got our microfiber. We don't got much left of this, so we might have to get a new bottle, but basically this is what you do. Spray that on there. Oh, this is gonna take a while. This is such a tedious process, bro. I'm wiping up every single last adhesive. We just finished up, but look at the cat is back. Yo, what are you doing? I've been working on this car since 1 o'clock. It's currently 3:15, so we've been in this for a while. It's fully clean now. It's good to go. There is no more adhesive marks anywhere. Car is back into good shape. There's no more. Look at how nice the wrap's looking. I'm gonna spray it down because this is filled with the chemical on it right now, so I'm gonna spray down the car and then it should be perfect. But this stuff works, man. It's called Goo Gone. It's not sponsored, but it literally works. You can get any type of adhesive remover. That stuff works, man. Look at, and no more adhesive on the wrap. That's awesome, dude. After about 3 hours of working on the GTR, it is perfect. There's no more adhesive things on the car. The wrap's looking good, no scratches, nothing. Anyone who says Christmas lights scratch your wrap, it's capped, man. We're perfectly fine here, dude. Crazy thing is, man, 2025 is almost here. When this video is posted, it'll literally be tomorrow, and I got some big plans for 2025. Now, I know a lot of you guys are definitely missing the full process car flips, and don't worry, because I am too. Right now, I'm back in my hometown, and to be able to do those car flips, you have to go 3 hours away back to a different city. Now, in 2025, we are bringing back full process informational car flip videos, and my goal is to get to a BMW M5 F90, they're called. It's like a 2018, 2019, 2020 BMW M5. 2025 we will be documenting the full journey to getting to that car, and then what we're going to do with that car is something that I've always wanted to do. We're not replacing the GTR, but the M5 that we buy will be the first car that I will be renting out. One of my goals in life is to have a successful luxury car rental business, and this M5 that we buy is going to be the start of that. Now obviously we'll get to drive it and stuff, but we'll also be renting it out to other people. So 2025, we're flipping cars, we're keeping the GTR, we're keeping the Z, we're building both cars, getting an M5, renting it out, flipping cars. Be ready for the content, boys. We're hitting 100K on YouTube 2025. Let's do this, man. Thank you guys for always supporting. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.